Welcome to Balisong Twirling 101. Today we're going to be covering everything from, if I can get into position, the full twirl, the extended full twirl, and the kiss goodbye. I'll be showing you a slow-mo, and then I'll be dipping right into the tricks. So first, the full twirl. So for the full twirl, you're basically going to want to get it into the chaplain position. You can either, start with going into a chaplain, or you can do one of these double rollouts and go right into position. Essentially, you want to end up here. So for all intents and purposes, just for beginners, I'm going to be demonstrating the double rollout. But, throw the knife, rotate knife, you bounce the back of the blade on your hands. And for this one, you're going to want to just kind of float your middle finger. So as it hits the back of your hand, just kind of insert your middle finger here. Like I said, if you're going into it from a chaplain, you just stop it with your middle finger. I feel like that's almost the easiest way, but if you don't know how the chaplain, it's going to be how you get into it. So you do the double rollout, and you insert your middle finger. And what you're going to want to do is push with your middle finger, so it's going up. You're basically going to be going all the way up. But rather than just doing, this over and over again, what you want to do is, as it's coming down, you swap your pointer finger with your ring finger, and you let it go on top of your middle here. But it's all one smooth movement. So as you push right there, and then to go back, you just push down with your ring, swap your ring for your pointer, and right here. You can just let go and go right into a chaplain in between, but that is all it is. It's from right here, pushing down, swapping fingers. You do one ricochet, push back down, swap fingers again. And it is something you can go on loop. It's a great one to kind of build finger strength. And to end it, all you're going to be doing is, rather than going right back into this position, you're just going to want to pinch it. Pinch it with your thumb, kind of get your middle finger out of the way. And you throw it up. So in short, do it without the chaplain. In short, it's just this. Oh, slow-mo helps. Next, we are going to be going into the extended full twirl. So for the extended full twirl, you're going to be starting from the full twirl. Once you do this, it's going to be on the way up. Same thing, push with your middle, swap pointer for ring. But here is where it differs. So you push down with your ring. Rather than going up this way, you're going to be swapping your middle finger with your pinky, so it can go up to your ring. If you can do chaplains, it's a good one to go right into, I didn't go right into it. It's a good one to go right into a ring finger chap. So you swap middle for your pinky, go right down here, and you push down with your pinky, and you swap pinky for middle finger again, and then you can go back up. And it's another one you can go right on loop. Again, great one for building finger strength. You can incorporate every single finger into this and do it on loop, and you end it the same way as the full twirl, just pinching the handle. Next up we got the kiss goodbye. So for the kiss goodbye, the very basic way to get into it is going to be doing the half twirl. Kind of let it bounce off here, and as it's going up, that's when you switch into position. So you pinch it with your middle finger and put your ring finger in here. Swap pointer finger for thumb. Let's go over the middle finger, back down onto the pointer. Do that, it does one ricochet here, and then you get into this position here. Another way to get into it would just be a index roll. Or another way, those are the ways I'm going to be covering, never mind. Another way would be to do right from the middle finger chaplain. So if you go like this, you're ending up in the same position. With the kiss goodbye, you start right there. And from here, it is essentially the extended full twirl, but you were doing it with the knife facing the opposite direction, where the extended full twirl would be like this. Kiss goodbye is going to be like this. So you push with your middle finger, and swap pointer for ring. You go up, and with your ring finger, you push down, swap pinky for middle finger, and go this way. And then go right back, swapping pinky for middle finger, going up. And then the traditional way to end it is right here. I'm going to be showing you how to put it on loop. But for this one, you just push with your ring finger, and you're going to grab with all three of these fingers. Your pointer, middle, and thumb. Kind of do same little rotation for the half twirl, where you're going like this with the knife, but keeping it on the same axis. So rather than rotating it like that, you basically rotate your hand around. And then with the excess fingers hanging off, so with the excess fingers, you just catch it. So in full, believe it or not, you can actually do the exact opposite to close it, where you go like that. Now to put it on loop, it's real good to have your index finger down, or index roll down. So you basically, rather than going to here, you insert your pointer finger just like the exact reverse of what you did. You do a little roll and you go back. That's the kiss goodbye. Just as some bonus funk, I'm going to be showing you the overhand scissor. The overhand scissor is from right here in the full twirl. Rather than going up into a ricochet or up into a chaplain, what you're going to be doing is from right here, you give it a little throw and you catch, like it does a full rotation, and you catch it right here. It is something you can put on loop, or you can just do a one-off. So another thing with the extended full twirl, it's going to be something you can do either from right here or from right here, but it's just adding a middle finger roll right into the middle of it. So you do a little finger roll. You just kind of catch it gently because you are going to be on the bite handle here. You can just do a little ring finger roll and then catch it in the position you did not come from. So like from right here, you do the middle finger roll and then you just roll it back and catch it on the lower fingers. Another one, catching it up high. I hope that gives you some variety to your twirling. That's going to conclude the Twirling 101.